What up, y'all? Texas City coming to you with another unboxing video. We got the KD10 in the BHM colorway. Every year Nike releases sneakers from your different NBA athletes with the Black History Month theme. And this time around, we're going with a overall black theme with the Pan-African colorways obviously on there as well in black, green, and red. And you also have some hidden messages throughout the entire sneakers. And on this one, you do have like the message on the side right over there that represents pretty much KD Day in Oklahoma City. The mayor declared 05/06/2014 KD Day because of his contributions to the community and his donations. Even if he is now in the Bay Area, he's still a strong he's still a strong contributor to the community in the Bay Area. So shout out to KD, my boy. You already know how I feel about KD. So let's get into the shoe, starting with the outsole. You got a clean white outsole on here. Midsole is your zoom technology, as you can see throughout the entire shoe. Upper part of the sneaker features a nubuck/knit material on the upper. This is one of my favorite KDs. I do like the way that the shoe laces all the way to the bottom of the shoe right there, which is pretty unique. And then you got this nice color blocking on the heel of the KD10 with your black and gold swoosh that's embossed right there, which I love. And then you got the KD Day engraved on there as well, with the Pan-African colors on the laces and at the bottom layer the knit on the toe box of the shoe, which is pretty cool. You got your KD logo on the right foot and then BHM logo on the other. That's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe. Now it's time to check out what these guys look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the KD10 BHMs look like on feet. We did do an unboxing video to the shoe, and these shoes are tight, and I would definitely recommend going half a size up because they're made tight. But they do look good, and I really do like them on feet a lot more. Let me know what you guys think of the KD10 on feet. I think they look fresh. Which one's your favorite BHM this year? I still think the LeBron is the best, but you guys can tell me in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more sneaker reviews in the near future. Hit the bell, and stay tuned for the next review. Peace, guys.